we know what is circle. That circle is a simple figure whose all the point is at equal distance from a fixed point, that is known as center. And we can draw the circle by using any circular object. The outline of the circular object is circle, okay? So today we will learn how to construct the circle with the help of compass, okay? So you see here. So this is compass, okay? What is this? This is compass. So compass is having one metal arm, you can see. I think all are having compass. With the help of compass and with the help of scale, I will teach you how to draw circle, okay? So this is known as metal arm, okay? In the metal arm, you will see there is a metal tip, metal point is there, okay? And another arm is known as pencil arm. In this pencil arm, we can fix pencil like this, okay? We have fixed pencil. We will lose this. You can see there is one metal type object. We can lose it and we can fix pencil in it. And this is known as hinge. With the help of this hinge, we can increase and decrease the length between the two arms, okay? How much length it is required, we can adjust it with the help of this hinge, okay? So this is only known as compass. Now I will tell you how to draw the circle with the help of compass. So for constructing circle, what we will do, first we will fix this pencil. First you sharp your pencil, okay? First step you have to sharp your pencil, then we will fix this pencil here like this, okay? And then from here I will make it tight. So I have fixed my pencil. Now I will apart these both arms with the help of this hinge, and I will put one dot over here. You can see one dot, that is a fixed point. So in the fixed point I will put this metal arm. This metal arm, this pin, I will not move. It is fixed now, okay? Because center is the fixed point now, so it is also fixed. Only the another arm, that is the pencil arm, I will rotate. You can see I am rotating it with the help of hinge, okay? With the help of hinge, I am rotating this pencil arm. So very easy to construct the circle. Otherwise you are searching here and there circular object to make a circle. Many times we have to draw the circle now. So very easy. It is easy to construct the circle like this. You have learned. Now I will teach you to construct the circle of a given radius, okay? We will learn how to construct the circle of given radius. For example, you construct the circle of radius 6, okay? Now we will learn how to construct the circle of a given radius. Radius is given here na 6 centimeter. So we have to construct the circle of 6 centimeter. For this we need one ruler also, okay? One scale. This is one ruler. With the help of this scale, what you will do, this metal arm you will put at 0, okay? And this pencil arm, where you have to take to 6 centimeter. Here is the 6 centimeter, okay? Before 7 there is a 6 centimeter, you can see here, okay? So I have taken radius of 6 centimeter now. I have taken measure, okay? After taking the measure, same thing we will do. We will fix this metal arm in one point and only we will rotate the pencil arm with the help of hinge. Okay, so like this we will construct the circle. So this is your circle of radius 6 centimeter. From the fixed point, you will draw one line and you will write over there, this fixed point you put over there, this is center O, we are denoting by O, and this you denote by A. Now this is the OA is the radius, and what is the length of the radius? 6 centimeter. Okay. So like that we can draw the circle of given radius. So you have seen how easily we have constructed the circle with the help of compass. Okay, and we can construct the circle of given radius also. If it is given 4 centimeter, we will measure the length with the help of scale 4 centimeter, and then we will construct the circle. So children, you practice to construct some circle by yourself. It is your time. Okay, you can construct the circle of 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. I am giving here. So construct the circle of given radius. Okay, it is the practice time you do by yourself. Okay, and you will enjoy it, I know. 2 centimeter. Second is 2.5 centimeter. And third is of 4 centimeter. You construct the circle of these given radius. Okay. Now let's revise what we are knowing already and we have learned already about the important terms of the circle. What are the important terms of the circle? I have drawn freehand diagram. It is not perfect. With the help of compass you draw now. Okay, this is a fixed point. I am drawing some lines over there. And I am giving the point also here. You know the important terms now? What are the important terms of the circle? In this figure, you please answer what is O. O is the center. Center is the fixed point from which all the points of the circle are having equal length. Means it is equidistant from the fixed point. Okay. That fixed point is only known as center. Now this OA, what is OA? OA is the radius. And plural of radius is radii. When there is more radius, we can see this is also radius now. OP is also radius, OC is also radius. What is the definition of the radius? Radius is the line segment from fixed point to the point at the circle. So here is the fixed point O and is the point on the circle B. So OB is also a radius and OC is also a radius, and plural of radius we used to say radii. So OB, OC, OA all are what? Radii. Okay. Now what is this BC? BC is the diameter. Diameter is line segment is the diameter is the line segment whose both the points lies on the circle and which passes through the fixed point, that is center. Okay, which always passes through the center. Diameter is the line segment which always passes through the center. So BC is the, what is BC here? Diameter. Then what is DE here? DE is also, what it is this? This is also line segment whose points lies on the circle. D point is also on circle and E point is also on the circle. Both the points lies on the circle, you can see. Okay? D point and E point. So D is a line segment whose points lies on the circle. That is known as chord. Okay? Now children, some facts I will tell you of the circle. Facts. We can draw many diameter. This is also diameter now. This is also diameter. We can draw many radius also. So radius of a given circle is always same. First fact is, you don't say that here it is 6 centimeter and here it will be 2 centimeter. Then it will be not circle. It will be another figure. Okay. So radius of the circle is always fixed. Radius of the circle is same. Then diameter. Diameter of the circle is always double of the radius. That is also a fact. Okay. Is equal to 2 into radius. Okay. And third fact is, diameter is the longest chord of the circle. What is that diameter? Diameter is the longest chord of the because diameter is also a chord of the circle that is passing through the center. So it is the longest chord. So these are the facts of the circle, and children, please practice how to construct circle with the help of compass. Okay, that is your time now. Thank you. Have a nice day.